I'll guide you through how to send invoice on PayPal. If you find this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com, then log into your account. Once you're logged in, click on the Send and Request tab located at the top of the page. From there, go to More Options and select Send an Invoice. You'll then be prompted to choose whether you want to bill a single customer or multiple customers. Next, fill in your customer's information, including their email address or name. After that, set up the item details by entering the item name, quantity, price, and applicable tax. You can also include a description if you want to provide more information about the product or service. If you'd like to leave a message for your customer, you can do so in the Message to Customer section. Additionally, you have the option to set a custom invoice number and invoice date for your records. Once everything is filled out and double-checked, simply click Send to deliver the invoice directly to your customer's inbox. And that's it. Your invoice is on its way.